Today we're going to install this JB4 piggyback tune from Burger Tuning on a 2007 BMW 335i. Disconnect your battery. It's in the trunk. Boom. Take off your negative cable. We're gonna have to remove this whole back piece here so we can access the wires and whatnot under there. So we start by turning this, removing these little sensors up here. Taking up these little covers here just makes the whole piece come off a little easier. There we go. There, now we have this guy exposed. You got to take this cover off here, and then everything we're doing is underneath that cover. Okay, so you got to unlock this box. You see there's a little picture, lock, unlock, and there's a little tab here with the little line. Okay, so you can't unlock it because there's just this tiny little plastic tab that needs to be lifted up while you push it over. Put a tiny little screwdriver in there, just lift it a little bit, and just a little bit, and push it over. Boom, there we go, just slid over. Slides over the rest of the way, then that front of it will be open. Same thing you got to do on the back, and then there's a little secret for the clips on the side. I'll show. To pop these top ones, you just pull over on the clip on the side with your finger. It just popped off pretty easy for me. Same thing with this one. This one you squeeze like this on either side, and you can pull it up, and then it'll come off. The back one, unlock the same way, pull up the little thing and slide it over. You have to kind of slide it around this bar. They probably tell you to take the bar off. You're at a dealership doing this. There you go. That out of the way. Now we're playing with all these wires. Oh my god, what are we gonna do? Okay, so I pulled the DME up and I got the first connector unhooked. You gotta slide out this clip on the second one. Try not to break it. Guess you just gotta force it. I got it off. There's the two of them that we're hacking into here. Okay, so I just hooked the one black one back up. We're gonna do the second black one here. We'll line up the arrows going the right way. Like that. Plug this one in together here. There we go, plug together. And then slide in here. All the way the arrows go. Clicked in. Now we gotta get them out of this one still. You have to pop the clip off the rest of the way. So just use a little screwdriver and put it in that hole and pops like that, and then you can remove the whole thing. Remember, it goes that way, so put it like that, and then you can pull the next two little guys out of there, push that in and pull out. There we go. It's the gray and black. There we go. Now we're going to do this one. Start with the black one since it's right here. Line up the arrows. Both going the right way. Arrows down here and the arrows up there, and they're both going in the same direction. It's a little stiff to plug it in, but that's the way she goes. Okay, next one. It's the gray one here. Arrow's going that way. Arrow's going that way. Come on. we go. Oh shit, what side was what side now? Oh shit. I had to go back and look at the video to see which side was which. So gray goes towards the firewall. Pretty sure. If this doesn't work, we know that's the reason why. Okay, black's next. Wingo Tango, slider in there. Bingo Bango, I think we're good. Okay, so then we'll plug these back into the actual computer. Click. Oh wait, we gotta put this little guy back on. Part way. And then you stick it on and then you close it up. Nope, that's alright. Okay, so we got that one on. Just slide it on, make sure it's all the way pushed on, and then clip that clip back closed. Oh yeah, you gotta lift it up a bit again. So last thing is just to hook up the power wire on this number 2 guy there, I'm pretty sure. Pull out this little green thing and hook up the last wire here. Okay, so I got the little guy off here, number 2 wire, see that? It says 1, 2, number 2 wire. Follow that to this side, that's this wire here. We gotta pop that open, unpin that, and then repin it with this, and then reconnect that. Okay, so I got pop the little guy out, sliding her out now. Join on the camera, so I got that attached. Now I just got to pin this back into that same one. Click, just clicked right in. Put that clip back down there. We're gonna wrap this. Some heat shrink probably, just to keep it protected, keep it together. We'll tuck it all in there, and that's basically it for the installation. And we'll test it out and see if everything worked. So we'll turn it on for the first time and see if we can access the JB4 menu to see if everything's hooked up correctly. You gotta hit the down button on either side at the same time. See if that happens. Oh yeah. I think that immediately just means map 1, right? Okay, well since it's working, what I'm gonna do is go watch a tutorial and figure out exactly which settings I should have it on for stock, and then I'll take her for a rip and see what kind of difference it makes. Okay, so it turned on and like the menu came up and stuff, so I guess I can just put all this stuff back together and assume that's all done correctly until we, till we get an engine light and we have to take it back apart and fix something. But anyways, we'll get to the driving soon. through all the modes. I just turned boost on fuel on, running map 1. I'll close out of the menu now. Driving this thing for like a month now on map 1. Basically stock except muffler delete, and I haven't had any problems, surprisingly. I thought I was going to get engine lights right away and have to do like injectors or coils or plugs or whatever. Like lots of stuff I read said that was probably going to happen, and it's been pretty good so far. I've been surprised. I've even taken it on a couple like hour-long highway journeys, and yeah, it's been good. Driven it hard a little bit, and about to do that a little bit more right now. Woo! So overall, I'd say the JB4 is a good tune. There's noticeably more power. It'll spin the tires real good now. That's just on map 1 with no other mods. So yeah, I'd say there's good at least 40 or 50 horsepower there, and if you do map 2 it probably is close to probably 100, I'm assuming, or whatever. But yeah, no, it's good, and it didn't mess anything up. So I'd say my honest review is that it's good, and if you're looking to improve your horsepower on an N54, that's the way to do it. Alright, thanks for watching. Peace.
Yeah.